Hello and welcome to the month of March, our month of financial independence. And on today's self-development program, I want to share with you on what I've titled Practical Money Skills. We are going to talk about money. And I know that the subject of money is a heavy one. And anytime it is mentioned, it raises a lot of eyebrows. And this is simply true because money, as someone said, is blood. It is people's sweat, and people toiled a lot to get that money. Hence, when you're talking about the subject of money, you have to exercise a bit of caution. But we still have to talk about it because it is another important issue or topic that needs to be discussed. But before we talk about it, I need to let you understand that money is an integral part of our lives and plays a crucial role in helping us to thrive and to survive on this planet Earth. A lack of it, therefore, makes life quite unbearable and uncomfortable. I want you to think for a moment about the things you desire to have, but for some reason you do not have. Just take a moment to think about those things. The car you want to have, the house you want to build, the kind of home you want to have, and the kind of gadgets and things that you want to have that you do not have right now. Things that are going to really serve you well, but for some reason you do not have those things. And I can tell you that one of the reasons, if not the only reason, definitely one of the reasons why you do not have those things is because of what? Money. Because you lack money in the adequate measure that you need it in order to be able to get those things that you need. And what do I mean by this? It's either you haven't made enough money to afford that product or service, or you had it but you just didn't manage it well enough and now it's gone even though you need it so badly. Or better still, you have some amount but you haven't been able to multiply it to give you the amount that you need in order to get you what you want. And that goes to suggest therefore that there is a skill to making money, there is a skill to managing money, and there is a skill definitely to multiplying money. Money does not just fall on people like mangoes falling from a tree. If making money, managing money, and multiplying money were that automatic and accidental, then I'll sure be the first person to wonder why we are not rich. But as it stands now, we are not rich because of one of two reasons. One of three reasons, actually. It's either we haven't developed the skills to help us make the money we need, or even though we have made some money, but we are not managing the money well, or we have made some money, we are managing it well, but we have not invested it in order for it to multiply to give us the required amount we need to be able to purchase the product or the services that we need. And therefore, I need you to understand that even before we talk about how to make money, how to manage it, and how to multiply it, there is actually a skill to making money, to managing money, and to multiplying money. I must confess though that I'm not an expert on the money subject, but I do know a few things and I want to present those things to you as we consider some practical money skills. That is how to make money, how to manage money, and how to multiply money so that we can benefit from it and also serve as a channel of blessing to others. So what are the skills to making, managing, and multiplying money? Three things. First, when it comes to making money, the first thing is that find something productive to do that will bring you money. The only way to make money is to find something productive to do. And when I talk about making money, I mean making money genuinely. I don't mean making money in the wrong sense or using a dubious means to make money. If you want to make money genuinely, then find something productive to do that will fetch you money. But whilst you're doing something productive that will bring you money, you also have to refrain from get-rich-quick scheme that promise to give you money quicker than is actually supposed to get you money. And the reason why you have to be refrain from those things, or you have to be careful about those schemes, is because they take your money faster than they bring it. So in as much as you're working to get money, you are in a productive venture that is getting you money, make sure you also not investing that money into get rich quick scheme, because they will take your money faster than they will bring it. Number two, when it comes to managing money, two things. First is practice saving before spending. Practice saving before spending and refrain from unwise spending. It is true, spending money is very sweet, but unwise spending only leads to poverty. So when the money comes, because of how you sweated to get that money, be wise enough to know how to spend it so that at the end of the day, it benefits you more. And finally, is multiplying money. How do we multiply money? Number one, invest your money into profitable ventures and see your money grow for you. Don't just put the money in the bank and save it, but save part of it into an investment instrument that will fetch you money, will multiply for you to get more money than you actually have. And also refrain from investing into unprofitable ventures and financial institutions that do not have a long-standing track record of financial prudence. If you invest your money into those ventures and into those financial institutions, at the end of the day, your money will be lost. And then your effort of trying to multiply money will come to a naught or will be futile. So there you have it, the skills to managing and multiplying money, what to do and what not to do. And I believe that if we follow these steps this year, we'll be able to make money, we'll be able to manage the money wisely, and we'll be able to multiply the money that God gives to us so that it will benefit us and we will become a channel of blessing to other people. God bless you.